Hey everybody, it's Rochelle. I'm going to use my Screencast-O-Matic that I showed you last week, and I'm going to use it today to go into Google Forms. So, we are going to go to Google Drive. We're going to create a new form. Go to More Options, Google Forms. When you give forms to a kid, I don't know what their screen setting looks like when they submit it, but I can tell you how to tell if the kids can tell if they've submitted it or not. So you go into the settings part, and then this side over here has a lot of different options for you. So I'm just kind of walk through some of these options. Collect email addresses and response receipts. This part is automatically in there for you to restrict into Davenport Community School District. Limit to one response. This is the one that we're needing for this particular thing. If you limit to one response, then it will show that they have submitted it. So they will know that they are done. Other things that you could do is edit after a response. If you want them to be able to go back in and change answers after the fact, then you could put that in there. And which these two would obviously not work together. And then the last one says, see summary charts and text responses. I suppose that might be different depending on what you're doing with your students. Or maybe if you're using it with teachers and you wanted teachers to be able to go in and see the charts and text responses back and forth, it might be useful for that. Anyway, again, I had a number of people ask about this, whether once they submit a form, how do students know? So it will show them something to show that their form was submitted if you have checked this. So again, that main thing was to check this and to do that by in Forms going to this settings mark right here. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks.